Good day, this is Arn Abantao and welcome to my channel, and for today's video ay ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano natin tatanggalin yung ating mga violations sa ating FBN, kung saan nga ba tayo pupunta properly. Kung interested ka malaman, samahan niyo po ako till the end. And today's video, andito ako sa FBN. I'm going to check it out my violation, and andito ako sa FB page ko. And to know about my violation is tatap ko itong icon ko, and then pipiliin natin dito sa baba yung help and support or setting in privacy. This one, help and support. And then dito sa help and support, meron tayong makikitang support inbox. Para malaman natin lahat ng mga violation, tatap itong your alert. Oh, no violation, help and support, and then support inbox, and this one, report and others. Wala. Meron to eh. Thank you helping keep Facebook safe everyone. Safe ba? Okay. Help and support, and then support inbox, reports and other, wala naman daw. Or help in support, support inbox, your alert, wala daw ako violation. And the next one ay si-switch ko ito dito sa aking account, this one, and I'm going to check it out kung ano yung aking mga violation dito, and i-remove ko. Okay, ay andito na pala ako. And just the same, health and support. Tatap lang po natin itong ating pinaka-profile pic, and sa baba, health and support, and support inbox, and walang report. Next, help and support, support inbox, and your alert. And this one, your video is napagod. I think this one is mga copyright to. Tap ko ito. There are changes in the video. See the video details. There are changes because the content is owned by someone else. Continue ko lang yan. And that's your copyright work. Copyright pala to. And tap lang si continue. Di na babasahin. And accept change, remove. Ang gagawin lang natin dito is remove video na lang. Continue. And delete the video. Hayaan na lang natin yung mga views. Okay. Videos remove. Okay, the other one. See the details. Some of your video as muted kasi copyright nga. Ayan. Continue lang. Continue lang. Remove the video. Submit dispute. Wag na tayo mag-dispute. Remove. Okay, close. Okay, one more. Okay, ganun lang. Ayan. Kasi came from TikTok. Ayoko na mag. Okay, remove the video na lang. And delete the video para makasahod na sa Reels. And close. Okay, so you will see wala na akong violation dito sa FB. And I'm going to find out next what will be happen to this account. Okay, so ganun lang po kung paano tayo remove ng ating violation. So kinakailangan pupunta po tayo dito sa this one, sa Google. And then hahanapin po natin si FB, Facebook Basic. And then yun, ilalagin lang po natin sa Facebook Basic. Oh no, not that one. Ganito po yung itsura kapag once na sa FB Basic. Okay. So you will see, and babalik ako dito sa help. Kapag once na may mga violation ka, and pupunta ka lang sa support inbox. And you will see the support inbox is in your place to get reply means from your about report and account. So wala na po siya. Okay, so malinis na. Hoping nakapagbigay ako ng knowledge toward to how to remove the violation that we have in our FB. Thank you for watching.